Redpoint is a world-class organization at solving problems in a fast and efficient manner. I just wish more people knew about us. The guitar project that we started really started as kind of a design exercise. We wanted to take a look at how we could apply Fusion 360 into a design, but we really wanted to do something that was our own.
I said, let's do a guitar, because you don't really get the opportunity as a designer to spend some professional time developing something like a guitar.
They saw it and said, you've got to make these things. They're really beautiful. I would buy one if you guys sold it. But we took that as, well, maybe we should pursue this further. Instead of it just being a design exercise, we started looking at how can we use this tool as an enabler for a business model. The company name for the guitars is going to be Orphanage Guitars.
Orphanage Guitars started for me actually when I was a lot younger and when I was in college playing in a band with my brother.
Everybody wants this thing that's already beautifully designed to be unique to them.
The consumer truly is designing their own guitar and they get to see exactly what they're going to have.
With Fusion 360 now, we do have that opportunity to be able to take each individual design and adjust it specifically for one customer in a very quick way.
Redpoint is very, very small, so we can't afford to just kind of disappear off the map for a week or two. We always had to be somewhat connected, but at the same time we also want to not be divorced.
One day we're on a customer site, another day I might need to work from home for some reason, and I need access to all of that data, and having everything available wherever you are is really important.
This is what Fusion 360 allows us to do, is to have that connection and keep things moving. Efficiency and power is what it is all about.
We bill our customers by the hour, and we need to be efficient. If we're not efficient, we're not giving them the best possible product that we can.
The biggest challenge for us is bringing the equipment in-house to do it ourselves. The way we're going to approach that is through Kickstarter. We want people to share the experience with us and be, part of a community of bringing this to life.
We'll know that Fusion 360 is a success for our business when we realize that we enjoy doing what we're doing even more than we do right now.
If what you're doing is fun and you believe in it and you're passionate about it, inevitably you're going to be successful. It's just a matter of when.